Welcome to welcome to Wednesday Wisdom. So friends, let us start with 1 minute meditation. Last 30 seconds. Happily. Last 20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very good, friends. Wonderful. Wonderful, friends. So, friends, Anando Brahma. So, in our life, bliss is highest. We need to give importance to our happiness a lot. Happiness, where we need to find the happiness means we need to find the happiness in the permanent things, not impermanent happiness. You need to find the happiness in permanent things. So we need to be very, very careful about our source of happiness. If you're happy because of one person, because of one thing, particular thing, phone or something, the same person response or reaction, sometimes they are not, they are busy or anything, the same happiness will convert to sadness. The same phone, otherwise any gadget, any new thing came in your life. If that is, when the moment is gone, anything happened to that, then again sadness will come. So we need to find our happiness in our inside, because our inside is permanent, right? Whenever we are existing, we are happy with our inside. That is called existential bliss. Whenever we happen to live as exist as anything, in the world, the moment we are existing, we are happy. That is called existential happiness and existential bliss. We need to realize that. Realizing that will give the bliss, eternal bliss. Because the moment I exist, I am happy. That's all. If I exist, I am happy. If I am alive, I am happy. That wisdom, you are being with that wisdom. It will come with the practice. Of course, it comes with the realization. Then it will be stabilized till the time. But the moment I am saying this, if you are accepting it, it is started coming in your life faster and faster. So friends, Brahmagnana, the God realized realization, what happens is, such a bliss comes in our life that anything in our life doesn't matter anymore. Everything is blissful. Yoga samochate. Everything is so much blissful only. Sita pragnata. Everything is balanced because you are settled in complete bliss, ultimate bliss. So here I'll tell you the levels how it happens for the normal sadhak. Sadhak, first enlightenment. What is this levels? I'll tell you. After that, just just knowing itself will give a lot of clarity, and it will your consciousness allows the bliss to happen. Your fast track in towards the bliss and ultimate bliss happens because you know the path now. So knowing these levels are very important. So first thing is continuously meditation. We experience certain joy, certain bliss in the meditation that we realize, oh, this is utmost bliss in my life so far. In the physical life, whatever I do, any physical pleasures, anything if I achieve, anything if I order in Amazon, anything, any shopping, everything is nothing in front of this kind of a bliss. This is so much blissful. When you realize that, total life is completely, not only my life, if you, all the human beings' life, everybody is going towards happiness, searching for happiness, living for happiness. Everybody's purpose of life is happiness. But I got this happiness for a moment. It could be 1 second or 2 minutes. I got this is profound happiness. Such a happiness that nothing, everything does are very small. If you feel that kind of a feeling comes, at least for one time, that is called first level of enlightenment. Satori, first a glimpse of enlightenment, that's called. Where in the 2 minutes you realize, oh, that 2 minutes is amazing. Everything is very tiny. After that a lot of clarity comes. Wow. In your life, anytime, that ultimate bliss, that nothing else doesn't matter. This is the highest. At the time, I am such a highest that I know for sure that all the human life, for example, happiness. Many people, if you search in internet, you ask for the top 5 happiness. Not only internet, ask 10 people, just your friends, 10 people. Ask for what are your top 5 happinesses. They will commonly tell, if I once I constructed I bought my own house, certain happiness came. Once I got my first child, son born, son or daughter, I'm holding my first newborn child. That is my happiest. And once I cracked my first job offer letter, or like that, many top 5 experiences everybody is telling, but you know for sure that for you also this kind of a happiest situations have happened. But this is something whole next level. This is not like physical level. Whatever you do, whatever you achieve using the physical body and physical life, the whole world. But this is something beyond something very, very 1,000 times, not only 1,000, infinite times, highest than that, powerful than that kind of a happiness. When you realize that, that is what I am talking about. That's called first glimpse of enlightenment. Okay, that's called first enlightenment. And second enlightenment is called Satori. That's called Satori, first level of enlightenment. Next level of enlightenment is Sadagami, when you realize that, oh, I got this bliss in the meditation only. So this, or meditation is a way to achieve this permanent solution. I'll get it, permanent bliss, I'll get it in the meditation only. When you realize it and when you're doing regular meditation, aspiring for that bliss, second time and third time out, no, and you're continuously sleep walking in the path. Sadagami. Sadagami means he's in the path and continuously progressing in a right direction. You found out the secret is meditation, lies in the meditation, thoughtless stage, and you're going further, you're practicing for that one. And from the time onwards, automatically your life, all priorities will be immediately, prioritization happens. The rest of all the life is one side and the whole spirituality is one side. But still at the time we need to balance both things, physical world and spiritual world. Balance should happen, 50% balance. That's what the Grandmaster says. Still the balance you need to maintain. Don't opt for that completely. At the time, I got that thought that, okay, let me go to Himalayas and dedicate all my life for meditation. But still, at the time, Master suggests that balance, important. That's the reason I was all night doing meditation. From that time onwards, Shraddha increased. Sincere meditation I was doing Shraddha, lot of Shraddha. Amazing sincerity I was doing meditation. So, next level is continuously coming, second time, third time, fourth time. Inside the bliss. Inside, you already achieved a lot of things. You already enlightened. At the time a decision comes. Okay, I already got whatever I wanted. Whenever I want, I can get the bliss. So I can stay in the blissfulness for a longer time also. That's called enlightenment. Arihant mastered all the emotions. After that, next levels are the great enlightenment, greatest enlightenment. Greater enlightenment means, now I got the bliss. Let me share this bliss. Let me live for others. Let me show the direction to others. And greatest and grand mastery of enlightenment is there. The bliss is not only I can share to the people nearby around us, but I can connecting to the whole bliss which is there and the whole universal bliss is mine only. Living in that. So these are the levels. So once you achieve this greater enlightenment or enlightenment onwards, once you reach the enlightenment onwards, the earth being an earth school lessons you completed, then onwards nothing touches you. No anger, anybody is angry, anybody is pathetic or sadness and negative most vibrations, but you're having that bliss continuously, so nothing affects you a lot. That means your mind, your body might be, if anybody hits you, painful, anything happen, if anybody, of course mind also ups and downs happening, but inside the soul level bliss, you settle down in the bliss. Emotions might be there, but still lot of blissfulness is there, compassion, lot of everything. So friends, at the time onwards, living on the earth will be just a drama afterwards. Kind of okay, now what is the dialogue I need to give? That response. Instead of reaction, response happens. Amazingly, if any reaction happens also, that's also you enjoy. That means everything will be enjoyment. Living blissfully. So, friends, enlightenment, greater enlightenment, grand master of enlightenment. These three things, appreciate them a lot. Enlightenment, very good, very great mastery of enlightenment. Greater enlightenment, radiating the enlightenment to others is called greater enlightenment. Claps to that. And grand mastery of enlightenment. Enlightenment everywhere. All at once, everywhere. The whole universal connectivity. The Brahmananda, the ultimate bliss. Brahmagnana, God realization. Okay? Living in the God realization. Wonderful claps. And now, understanding these concepts. A shower happens, blissful shower. An amazing grace happens to those who all listen to this concept. amazing. Open up, consciousness opens up, and they start receiving all the bliss and all the next levels happens very easily to them, to you. Last 1 2 minutes meditation. Either open eyes or close eyes. In the enlightenment level, blissfulness and great bliss. Your bliss is in the aura also, spread across in your aura also. And the great grand mastery of enlightenment everywhere, whole universal bliss is yours. Everybody say, everybody do like this. Everybody place your hands on your shoulders. Bliss and enlightenment, Atma. The means soul means blissfulness, Sachidananda. And now little bit heighten and expand your hands little bit and feel that your aura also bliss is there. From your hands, just everybody say, do like this, radiating the bliss and energies to everyone. To left and right hand. Now Grand Mastery level means stretch your hands and feel that the whole universal bliss is yours. Then automatically a laughter and smile and gentle smile, anything might come, that's good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very good. Now closed eyes meditation, 1 minute. Inside God is there, outside God is there, everywhere God is there, every time God is there. That God we are connected to. Realizing that God is God, realizing, living that. Four, three, two, one. Zero. Mm, very good. Very good. Namaskar Mudra. Thanks to all the Gurus. Heartful gratitude to all the Guru Shakti, Vishwa Shakti. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oneness. 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 Very good. Thank you, friends. Thank you.